Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a fortune teller. So for this activity, we need a small square sheet of paper and a marker or pen to write with. So I'm taking a small piece of paper because I'm going to make a small fortune teller. If you guys want a large fortune teller, you have to take a very large piece of paper. So let's get started. So for this activity, I'm folding the paper in half in both the sides. Step number 2 is that we have to fold all the sides of the paper to the middle. Step number 3 is that we have to turn the paper to the opposite side. And we have to repeat the same second step again. We have to fold all the sides to the middle. Step number 5 is that we have to fold the paper in both sides so it will be easy to put our hands in. So our fortune teller is ready. So now in these 4 boxes we have to write any 4 colors, and in here on the opposite side we have to write any 8 numbers. So for example, I'm writing 4 colors here. I'm writing pink, blue, green and yellow. And on this side I'm writing numbers from 1 to 8. So you guys can see here, and when you open this we can write any 8 fortunes in 8 of these triangles. For example, we can write you will live for 100 years. And now our fortune teller is ready. I'll do it to you guys for once and show you. It's ready, and first we have to ask the person which color they choose, and after they choose the color we have to spell the color out. Then we have to open here and ask them which number they want, and we have to count until that number. Then we have to ask them to choose another number again, and after they choose that number we have to open the fortune teller and read the fortune out to them. And that's the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!